Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to guide you through exactly how to access a blocked Telegram channel. Whether you're running into Telegram's own content filter or dealing with restrictions based on your country or region, by the end, you'll know the steps you can take to regain access and why they work. So if you've ever clicked on a Telegram channel and gotten an annoying error, even one about sensitive content, stick with me for the next few minutes. Let's dive straight in. The first thing to understand is that not all blocks are the same. Sometimes the channel is hidden because Telegram's content filter thinks it's sharing adult or sensitive material. That's a super common scenario. Other times you might be facing a more serious regional restriction, like a ban from your government or internet service provider. For most people, though, it's the sensitive content filter that causes issues. If you see a message like, "This channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread pornographic content," or something similar, the actual content isn't the main issue. It's Telegram applying a filter based on certain keywords or reports. This filter is turned on by default for most accounts, especially if you signed up recently or you're using the mobile app. Here's the catch. You can only disable this filtering through the web or desktop version of Telegram, not the regular mobile app. Here, what you'll need to do. First, open your web browser and head to the Telegram web portal. Don't worry if you haven't used Telegram on the web before, it's just as secure and reliable as the mobile app. Once there, log into your account. Telegram will send a quick code to your mobile app so that you can verify your identity and sign in safely. Once you're logged in, look for the classic menu icon. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines in the top corner. Click that and navigate to Settings, then Privacy and Security. This is where Telegram stores all the important options controlling your account's safety and visibility. Scroll down slowly until you spot the sensitive content section. Here, where the magic happens, you'll see a box with Disable Filtering. Go ahead and check that box. What you're doing here is telling Telegram that you understand there's potentially sensitive material and you're choosing to view it anyway. Some folks worry it's unsafe, but Telegram won't make any changes to your other privacy settings. It just lifts the content filter. After you've done this, it's a good idea to restart your Telegram mobile app completely. Just force close and reopen it or log out and in again. Don't be alarmed if it takes a moment for the changes to take effect. That's completely normal. Once you're back in, you should be able to access the previously blocked channel without any trouble. Now, if you've been booted from a private channel by the administrator, meaning someone running the group decided to remove you, unfortunately, there's no technical workaround. Telegram's privacy measures are pretty tight in this area. The best thing you can do is politely reach out to the admin or maybe ask another member for a new invite link. Sometimes admins will reconsider, especially if there was a misunderstanding. Think of it like being locked out of a private party. You'll need someone inside to let you back in. So whether it's an automated content filter or a manual admin block, you now know what to do and why it matters. I hope this walkthrough helps you get back into your favorite Telegram channels without frustration. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into a step that needs more explanation. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical guides and tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.